Hey guys, so today we're making a side piece for a little TV cabinet for a customer. It's all premium pine, and we need to figure out how to do this cross thatch on this side. So what I've done is I've ripped down some 1x material, and we're doing a half lap joint, so it fits together nice and tight like this. So we have another one to make right here, and I'm going to show you how to do this using a crosscut sled. The way I like to do it is I lay it out how it is. I use a nice sharp pencil, something that's pretty detailed. Get in there, make your lines. So I've already made all my marks here with it dry fit. So let's go ahead and make our cuts on the slider. Okay, so we got the miter saw set up at the correct angle and locked in place. This one has a laser on it and it's a slider. So what that means is I've got to use a sacrificial board back here because it won't dive all the way up to the fence. So you have to do this in order for it to clear. So we're going to go ahead and cut these now. So now that we've got those cut out, I'll just take a chisel and we'll kind of pare it up a little bit. So just kind of clean up that opening. Doesn't have to be super clean. This is kind of a farmhouse style piece of furniture, so it's not, we're not working with cherry or mahogany or anything here. Let's see how we fit here. So it's a little tight, and what you can do there is you can take your chisel, since these fit together, and just kind of clean up the areas that won't show so that it'll squeeze together a little easier. And if you're still having a hard time, you can try clamping it. And there we go. And that's what we're looking for right there. So this is our nicer edge, so this will go on the outside. So let's see. So this one's set for this one. This should work here. Yes, so that's good. So then we'll go ahead and we'll glue that together and just toenail it using some 23 gauge nails. The glue will hold it, and the frames are built using pocket hole screws, so then this is just a decorative accent. So I think this will work. See how it turns out.